Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by verifying prerequisites, project units, room geometry, and surface reflectances. Open your Dialux project and set the working plane plus mounting height. This ensures photometry aligns with reality. Next, import the Luminaire, choose built-in library items or add external WISE/LDT files. You can also use manufacturer catalogs. Once done, organize fixtures in the lamp library for reuse. This keeps your workspace tidy. Make sure to save a copy before heavy edits, because it's easier to revert if something goes wrong. You now place luminaires, switch to place mode and choose single, grid, or pattern placement depending on the layout. Click to position a unit, then use rotation and tilt controls to match real mounting orientation. Adjust vertical offset to compensate for false ceilings. Once items are placed, group them so you can edit multiple fixtures at once. That speeds iterations. Configure lamp parameters, power, light source type, control gear, and emergency settings. This affects calculations, so be precise to get reliable results. You finish by running a calculation with appropriate boundaries and point grid density. This produces Lux maps and reports like UGR and uniformity. Review results visually and in tables, then export plans, reports, or IES files for documentation. If numbers look off, first recheck mounting heights, room reflectances, and units. Mismatches are common. Also verify Luminaire file integrity and file paths, incompatible or corrupted. WISE/LDT files can break calculations.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.